Lion's joke. The smart home is getting smarter and smarter every year. There are new cameras, new doorbells, garage door openers coming out all the time. But what if you really just don't feel like dropping a couple grand just to outfit your home? Well, we've got you covered. These are the best smart home products for under 50 bucks. What's going on, everybody? Jeremy with Detroit Tech. Let's talk about outfitting your home and turning it into a smart home for under $50. First things first, I'll list all the items I can in the description down below. One of the first things you hear about now when a smart home comes up is smart lights. And the biggest name, of course, in smart lights is Philips Hue, but holy cow, they're expensive. And you have to have like a whole separate hub and holy cow. That's where LIFX comes in. A fully RGB light of theirs does cost around $50, but you don't need a hub to make them work. The LIFX app works great and provides a great option for turning the bulb on and off just the way you need it to go. But if you don't want to replace light bulbs, you can always go with just a little smart socket. There are a bunch of these on Amazon that even have their own branded one. I have a couple like this one, and they're basically agnostic when it comes to voice assistant, and also have a pretty simple app if you don't want to, wake up your wife. They turn normal lamps into smart lamps. I have one tied to a box fan in my house now, so no repetitive strain injury from turning the fan on for me. And what better way to control your new smart lights and new smart socket than with a smart assistant? In this price category, you have two main choices, Alexa or Google Assistant. Amazon's Echo Dot line is a great way to get Alexa on the cheap. Second generation can be found for a bit cheaper, but the third generation does look a bit better with cloth sides. The Google Home Mini runs just under $50 and works as well as anything out there. They're both great devices that let you control lights, smart sockets, compatible security cameras, smart doorbells, and really just about anything else that's smart out there. There are upsides and downsides to both. If you're lucky, you'll find a pre-order or some other deal where you can get like a Mini for free, that's actually what I did when I got my Pixel 2 XL. It's probably one of my favorite devices because I can also pair it with my Chromecast. Speaking of which, the Chromecast is a $35 dongle that plugs into your TV and gets controlled by your voice to basically watch stuff. I mean, it's not always that simple, but it is a pretty sweet deal. The Chromecast can turn your TV on and even change inputs depending on the technology in your TV or the HDMI socket. It allows you to cast media from your phone. Compatible apps include Google Play Music, YouTube services including YouTube TV and YouTube Music. There's Netflix, Hulu, and a ton more. You will need a Fire TV or TV stick to get your Amazon video on your TV. However, I love coming home after church on Sunday and just telling my Google Home to play Fox on the living room TV so I can watch my Lions. Whether I enjoy the game or not is an entirely different story. There you go. Those are my favorite smart home products under $50. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. If you think the Terminator is coming for us, hit the thumbs down. Either way, let us know in the comments below how you're gearing up for the smart home revolution, and we'll catch you in the next one.